Good morning. Welcome back. My name is Alex. This is day 5. You did it. Almost. We still have to practice. But this is day 5 of a 5-day yoga challenge to help you to get in the habit of waking up and moving around and doing something good for yourself. Thank you so much for being here. As we have every other day, let's start in our child's pose. Knees however far apart you'd like. Walk the hands forward and soften down. Arrive. Here we are. Again. We are lucky to be here again. Trust that your mind-body connection has strengthened over the last few days. Gently bring your awareness to the breath and breathe in and out through the nose. Eyes are open so that you can maintain presence. Our intention for this practice is, again, gratitude from day one. Gratitude for everything that has gotten you to where you are this moment. Taking care of yourself. Creating a healthy habit. Let's press up to a tabletop and find one cat-cow. Inhale, arch the back, lift the gaze. And long exhale, tuck the tailbone, press the mat away. Find somewhere in the middle. Let's tuck the toes and hover the knees. Feel the arms fire up, feel the feet stretching, feel the knees and the legs. Smooth out your breath. Inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog. Press back. Take your time bending and straightening one leg at a time. Pressing one heel at a time down. Walk to the top of your mat. Ragdoll, separate your feet about hip width, bend the knees so you can relax over the legs. I like to bend and straighten one knee at a time, and both at a time. Bring the feet to touch, relax over the legs, knees are bent and press down to stand up. Create good posture, relax the shoulders down, lengthen the tailbone, draw the core in gently. Palms touch. Remind yourself of gratitude, to have gratitude for where you are right now. Inhale, the arms reach overhead. Leave them shoulder width, palms face each other, lengthen the tailbone down. Inhale, reach again. And exhale, bend the knees, forward fold. Halfway lift on an inhale, lengthen the spine. And from here, step it back to a plank pose. Tall on the toes, press the mat away, pull in the stomach. Lower all the way down to the mat. Tops of the feet down, flex the toes against the mat to engage the thighs, and then roll your shoulders back, halfway lift, cobra. Lower down. Press up to a strong tabletop, and back to downward facing dog. Feet about hip width, hands shoulder width. Step onto your left foot and reach the right leg back. Keep the Hips square to the mat, foot is flexed, knee is facing down. Try to step on the wall behind you and lift the leg a little bit higher. Downward dog. Switch sides, left leg back and up. So we're not stacking the hips and opening. The foot is flexed. You are reaching the leg up, pull in the core, press your chest toward the right thigh. Foot is trying to step on the wall behind you. Downward dog. Reach the right leg back and up. This time, let the hips open up, press into the right hand. Let the hips stack. And then bring the right knee up behind the right wrist for pigeon. Someday, the right shin will be parallel to the front edge of the mat. Try to square your hips to the top of the mat if you can, and let's fold forward over the leg. And breathe a few rounds of slow, smooth breath. Reel your thoughts back in to the present moment. Smooth out your breath. Press out to release. Press into the hands. Downward facing dog. Reach the right leg back and up just for a reach. And then downward facing dog. Left leg back and up. Point the toe. Let the hips open. Press extra into the left hand. Pigeon left side. Use any props or modifications as needed. Connect to the present moment. Gratitude for all the work you've done. Relax over the front leg. Smooth out any tension. Lengthen the breath. Gratitude. Press into the hands to sit up and return to your downward facing dog. We're going to lift the left leg back and up once more. Reach open and downward facing dog. Scan the body. Lift onto the toes, tuck the chin, and ripple through into upward facing dog. Leave the knees soft, toes are tucked, shoulders down. Lean on the left hip, look over your right shoulder. And switch sides. Back to center. Inhale, open up the front of the body, upward dog. Long exhale back to child's pose. Knees comfortable distance apart, soften forward. Exhale. Awareness of the present moment. Awareness of what it was like to be here just a few minutes ago and what you have done, what you have accomplished for yourself since then. It doesn't have to be a whole lot of time. Press into the hands to sit up and make your way to a comfortable seated position. Sit up tall, shoulders down. Roll the shoulders up, back, and down again. Float the arms overhead. Inhale. One twist to the right. Left hand to the right knee. Pull the right shoulder back. Inhale through center, arms overhead, reach. And twist to the left. We will close with one more breath. Inhale, arms over the head. Lift up, reach up, smile to yourself. Feel proud, feel gratitude. And lower your hands down to heart center. Thank you for joining me for my first multi-day challenge, my first challenge, I guess. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank yourself. I will see you all soon. Let me know what you think in the comments with a like, and I will see you in my next video. Namaste, everybody. That was day 5. Day final. Thank you. See you so soon. Subscribe. Comment. I'm happy. All right.